Hello everyone, I am Ashok Raja. In this video, let us see how to install Node.js in Ubuntu Linux. I am connected to an Ubuntu server running on VirtualBox. To check if Node.js is already installed or not, execute the command node-v. This would return the version number of the Node.js if it is already installed. The alternative way to check the existence of any application is to execute the command which and the application name. Say node. This would return the location of the installation path of Node.js. So since it is blank, this indicates that Node.js is not yet installed in this server. Let me do a quick check for the availability of the packages by executing the command apt search Node.js. Okay, so this would return the list of the packages that contains Node.js in its name or in the description. So to find the exact match, just make a small change to the command. Just add the caret symbol in front and the dollar in the end. This should give the exact match. Okay, so here it is. It is pointing to the default Ubuntu repo and the version number is 10.19.0, which is a very old version of the Node.js. Right. But the current version of Node.js at the time of recording is 15.6 and the long-term supported version or the LTS is 14.15.4. Okay, since the default repo of Ubuntu is pointing to a very old version of Node.js, let's install the latest package from a different repo from node source. Right. To download and install the package from the node source, its repository URL has to be added to our list of repos. To add the repo URL, let's navigate to the installation instructions under Debian and Ubuntu based distributions. And it is listing all the URLs corresponding to the different versions. Let's copy the URL that is related to version 14.x, that is the long-term version. Let me execute this command and add the repo URL. Okay. Now let me install the package by executing the command sudo apt install node.js. So now it is installed. To verify the installation, execute the command node-v. This would return the version number of the Node.js installed. It would also have installed NPM, which is the Node Package Manager. To check its availability, execute the command npm-v. This returns the version number of the NPM installed in this server. That's it for now. In the subsequent videos, we can see how to install multiple versions of Node.js in a single Ubuntu Linux environment. If you find the content on this channel helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like for this video. Thank you.